If you don't like long lectures that seem to drag on forever, making you feel like you're stuck in a time loop, but still want to learn about the fascinating history of our planet in a fun and engaging way, then this quick cosmic journey is for you. Imagine 4.6 billion years ago, there was a big old cloud of gas and dust called a nebula. This nebula was just floating around in space, minding its own business. But then, boom! A supernova exploded nearby, sending shockwaves through the nebula, giving our nebula a cosmic kick. Gravity took charge, pulling the gas and dust together, spinning and flattening the nebula into a disk. At its center, the pressure and temperature rose dramatically. Things got hot and heavy, forming our sun. The sun ignited, shining brightly and providing the energy needed for the next steps. Meanwhile, all that dust was getting cozy, clumping together due to gravity, sticking together to become planetesimals. These were the building blocks of planets, and they kept colliding and sticking, growing into protoplanets. And voila! Through countless collisions and mergers, Earth was born through accretion, a process where particles clumped together to form larger bodies with fiery collisions, melting rocks and shaping our planet. As Earth cooled, it began to solidify. Heavier elements sank to form the core, creating a dense metallic center, while lighter ones floated up to create the crust, the mantle. That's the squishy layer in between, made of semi-solid rock that slowly flows over geological time. But wait, there's more. A Mars-sized object, Theia, crashed into Earth, and the debris from this epic smash-up formed our moon. This collision was so powerful that it tilted Earth's axis. Early Earth was a hot mess, literally. It was covered in molten lava, and volcanic activity was rampant. Constant asteroid and comet strikes brought water, eventually forming oceans. These impacts also delivered organic molecules. Volcanic outgassing belched out gases, including water vapor, carbon dioxide and nitrogen, creating a toxic, steamy atmosphere. This early atmosphere was nothing like the air we breathe today. Over time, Earth's position in the habitable zone allowed liquid water to remain stable on the surface, and its magnetic field shielded us from solar wind. This magnetic field is generated by the movement of molten iron in the core. Seasons came into play thanks to Earth's tilt, and that, my friends, is the wild and wonderful story of how Earth was born. From a cloud of gas and dust to the vibrant, life-supporting planet we call home, stay curious and keep looking up. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.